Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to save pictures automatically on the WhatsApp application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, tap on the chats button down below, which is the fourth tab. Click on the group chat name. After that, you should click on the chat name again at the top of the screen. Scroll down and here you have the save to camera option. As you can see, it is set to default, which is off. You can set it to always or never, so it will automatically save photos and videos you receive to your iPhone's camera roll. Tap on always and it will be saved. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.